So this is an example of us accessing files from within Microsoft Teams. So if you've got a team on that left-hand menu, you can click into a specific channel. In this instance, I clicked into the general channel of our client engagement team. And then across the top there, you'll see you have that files button. If you click that, you're going to see your files and folders listed in a traditional, file structure. You can sort it by name, date modified, who modified it last, etc. And so you can view and edit and open your files right from within Teams. Another great way is from within Teams, or even if you just go out to a web browser, you can sync those files down to your file explorer. So that's going to be a really quick and easy way to get them to open in your file explorer. And then they'll look like this, right? So very similar to if you have a file share structure on your server at your office today. You can sync those files right down into a folder. You're going to see those same folders and files right on your own file explorer. This is going to be synced down to your computer. You don't have to sync everything. So if you're, if you don't have enough space on your computer, you'll see these cloud icons showing you might have to download some files when you need them. But you can store them on your hard drive as well and make them available offline. And then any changes that you make to those files when you go back online will sync back to that team or that group.